30th of March.
NPP leader and cabinet minister Rakam Sangma on Wednesday stated the Congress and its glorious past is history that can be read about, but the NPP is the future of the state. In connection with MP polls, Sangma asserted that candidate for Shillong Lok Sabha seat in the form of cabinet minister Ampareen Lyngdoh is the best that the party has offered. Sangma's reaction comes after Congress recalled its past deeds and contributions made in the state as one of the major factors for the people to propel them to victory in the polls. Talking about the Lok Sabha elections, particularly the Shillong parliamentarian seat, Sangma said they have given the best candidate, and it is the voters of the Shillong seat who have to decide who they wish to send to Delhi.
We have given you the best candidate, the best woman, the best person in the state. Now it is the voters of Shillong parliamentary seats to decide whom you want to send to Delhi. Madam Ampareen is among the best fitted individual to represent Shillong, which suit the Shillong standard in parliament. Congress time during 950, 75 years back, right? 70 years back, during Congress time, the country get independent country. Where is Congress now? Meghalaya got statehood during AP SRCC time. Where is AP SRCC now today? So this is I mean, like, it is not about the party, it's not about organization, it is about the individual today. Whom to represent.